Isaac Newton and the 3 laws of motion. Isaac Newton's 3 laws of motion apply to the game of basketball the way it is. Newton's first law. An object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion with the same speed in the same direction unless acted upon an unbalanced force. Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. Basically saying the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the implied force and takes place in the direction of the force. Newton's third law, my favorite. To every action, there's always an equal and opposite reaction. Example 1. Dribbling. All 3 laws of motion can be applied to dribbling. But let's start with the first one. A basketball cannot bounce itself. A bouncing ball will eventually stop bouncing without a balanced force of the player's hand pushing towards the ground, as seen here. Since basketball is only played with one ball, the size and mass of the ball won't change, but the size and mass of the players does. Here we have Angela with the ball. Angela is 5 feet 8 inches tall. Here we have RJ with the ball. He is 6 feet and 4 inches tall. RJ being 6 inches taller than Angela will have to put more downward force than Angela on the ball to make it bounce back to his hand.
We got drain, we got draw.
Newton's third law is indicated. With every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, like the ball hitting the ground and bouncing back up to the player's hand. Example 2. Shooting. All 3 laws of motion can also be applied to shooting. A ball cannot launch itself through the hoop. It needs the accelerated force of the player shooting the ball. As seen here. Swish! Here we have Angela, 5 feet 8 inches, 20 feet away from the basket. The basket from the floor is standing a mean 10 feet. She's shooting at a 21-degree angle, 30 miles per hour. Since the size of the players change, the angle and speed of the shot will vary. We have RJ shooting at a 6 feet 4 inches, 20 feet away from the basket. The basket standing a mean 10 feet away from the floor. He's shooting at an 18-degree angle at 35 miles per hour. That's a bad net. Switch! Example 3. The layup. The layup is a shot designed for a player moving at a high speed toward the basket. Again, all 3 laws can be applied to the layup. The ball cannot dribble itself down the court and jump into the hoop. It needs the accelerated force of the player to dribble up and down the court and lay it in the hoop. Remember, the size and the mass of the players vary, so the speed and the touch of the layup will vary also. Watch the ball hit the backboard. This is where the third law comes into play. Notice the equal and opposite reaction of the ball hitting the backboard. Now we will watch a few clips to try and see the 3 laws of motion being applied to the other fundamentals of basketball, like rebounding and defense. You can also look at the surface of the basketball court and the grip on our shoes, which is creating a greater friction. With the more friction we have, it creates a bigger inertia. Enjoy the show.
Okay, what you need?
Hey, I need some of them things, man.
How many of them?
2 on, give me 2.
I got you. Pull on around to the runner, pal.
Alright, shout.
Hey, John.
What up, Batman?
Cuz out here say he need 2 of them things.
Oh yeah, you want 2 of 'em?
Yeah. Hey, John.
What up?
You know the motto.
Yeah.
Hustle by any means, nigga.
First I take the order like a coffee shop. Then I steam it up and cook it like a coffee shop. And then I serve it out the window like a coffee shop. And it ain't no returns at the coffee shop. Then I make that paper stack up at my coffee shop. From then they'll be back to the coffee shop.
Okay. It's just another day at the coffee shop. I grab them coffee beans, time to heat them coffee lights. Turn the lights on, Jay's rush the parking lot. This the neighborhood's #1 stop and shop. No regular, we only serve the best. For the low, cheaper than the rest. I'm taking orders, tell me who's next. Only cash, no credit, no checks. When your car stop, welcome to Star Block. Want a triple, you're not. Invest in our stock. now we doing numbers like a closeout. Be sure to shop with me before it's sold out.
First I take they order like the coffee shop. Then I steam it up and cook it like the coffee shop. And then I serve it out the window like the coffee shop. And it ain't no returns at the coffee shop. Then I make that paper stack up at my coffee shop. One minute and they'll be back to the coffee shop.
Cook it in the morning, sell it during midday. Whip the cream, same color as your latte. I tell them vamonos, that's rapido. You need some more stuff, you go call Gorilla Zone. You can get the coca.
I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Now y'all get to hear my real voice. That was my narrator voice, but sick as a dog. But I just want to thank my cameraman Dion. He really did a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the movie. He hooked it up nice, and it was good collaboration. Thank Miss New Writer and thank Mr. Isaac Newton. Y'all have a good day. Now clap, clap, clap. Peace out. Bye.